Day back with the boys. We cleaned the whip.
Bitch is icy.
Some asshole just fucking.
Hey, fuck that dude.
Brother needs a car wash. This shit sounds so good though. It's like the definition of San Francisco. Somebody blocking traffic, bus on the cable, can't do anything. This Xfinity truck is clueless. Here he comes. There he goes. Dodged the ticket. Good shit, brother. No way, Johnny. Back clip, go. Dude, I like your steez, dude. There's a truck. Fucking scooter kid.
Get in the way, everybody.
Already got a casualty? Let me see your hand. Yikes. Scooter gang. Let's go.
So this song that played, I seen the band live.
Yeah.
Fire Lou.
Fire. Got the hookup?
Oh yeah, no doubt. What's up, we gotta wait some more.
Come on, boy. Yeah, give me like 20 minutes.
All right. Thank you. It's got to be the like 8th grade the last time I did this. Cruising. Ended up at a car meet. Shit, buddy brought the bucket.
That's my boy.
So last time we saw this, Josh owned it, but he sold it to Raul, and he just brings it to car meets. The hottest place you could probably have this thing out. You're still gonna promote his Instagram?
Like fucking 12 hours with this fucking
I owned it for 12 hours.
Take a look at this truck. This truck is crazy.
big chaser hours.
That shit's horrible.
Growing up and shit.
My bad. Who let Anno on the fucking hoverboard?
And then do like some donuts. Like push, so go.
You gotta go wide. Come on.
Forward.
Come on, hit all four. Go.
Oh, big roll back.
Oh, you're about to bust yourself.
Yeah. I saw like an article.
Oh, fat rolling on a stupid ass.
Because I've only posted it on Instagram.
Relax, brother. You need tires to get home, remember.
I know.
Oh, god damn it.
Big street light.
Oh, it's good.
That 2J shit.
Roll back on and watch.
Oh, he's about to bust it.
Oh, I lost it. My bad, dog.
No lie.
You guys shotgunning shit?
Wee!
Go now.
He's getting ready.
What's up, Gregory? Listen, Brother Bean. We said you got to without a shotgun.
You gotta do the little hole,
I know,
right?
I'm gonna grab another beer, hold on.
Grab one, you're good. Oh, he's doing it right now. Josie, cheers. You ready? Cheers. Go.
Oh.
I hear a lot of spilling.
She gone. Oh. She gone.
Oh.
Yeah, you are. For sure. I just shotgun some shit.
Chill, puppies. You be good? You be nice to Josh?
They listen to him, but they jump all over me.
Come here. Shadow, come. Shadow, come here. Sit down. You like that butter toast, huh? Butter toast?
Oh.
Cericia, I'm trying to look into you. Your rear.
I gotta be down before I run it.
Started out with a kiss. How did it end up?
They're like, yo, I got my toy. I got my toy.
It's killing me.
Look at the new pickup. Oh my god. I need to get this shit resprayed. This shit is sick. Well, I'm getting this bitch running for sure.
You know, we out here working.
What was it, like 30 minutes?
Fucking hour. We're vibing, bro. It don't matter about
All the
time.
way taken apart.
It don't matter about time.
Fire loot.
That's him right there.
Alrighty, it's the next day. We're still waiting on Nando to get here, but she's pretty much good to go. I'm doing the handlebars right now, and then we get to put the whole thing back together. Fire. Oh, I need to get a light. Alright, so dead ass, Gio just got a new truck. This is the back seat.
Mobbing. Making it happen.
No shot. Oh my god.
Good. Must smoke a cigarette in here.
No. No. Gio, new whip, who this?
New whip, who's this? I gotta smoke a bogey. It's christening the whip, bro.
Oh my.
Fucking God. Look, I was fucking happy. Now I'm fucking sad. You stupid bitch.
That's hella good.
Went forward, man.
Holy shit, well, yeah, that was awful close, my guy.
I
It was
see.
worth it. Let's go back to the house. Oh my god, dude.
Shit is lagging.
Downshift, upshift. Nissan gang. Josh, does he qualify?
I don't even know. He had a. Yeah.
It's a stick shift.
No, it's definitely fire ass lube, but it's in good condition too. But at the same time, it's like.
Oh, give it a go one more time. Give it a go one more time. I'm not touching it. No, test it, please. We need to. Test it, dude. Go, son. You ready, dude? I'm turning it on.
It's hot.
It's hot, bro. You feel it?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, you're only right next to me.
Yeah, I can feel it. Yeah.
You're not far back. I can feel you breathing.
Next day, pulled up on Marco. They're doing a clutch on a Civic over here.
You don't gotta move the car, gangland. What's going on?
I don't have to. I wasn't gonna. What you guys got going on here?
We're doing a clutch today
This dude got a
on the stockest to stock Civic.
slide hammer with a CV axle fucking like part on it.
Son of a bitch.
It's the next day after being in Gio's ratchet ass truck.
That thing is pretty ratchet.
You should see. You have no idea. We were sitting in the back
I
seats.
seen it. He pulled up to my job with it.
He has the flip down back seats. Wild.
Yeah, long box life, dude.
Now brothers are working on the clutch.
Getting her done.
So minus the clutch assembly. Look at what he got hidden back in the garage.
You know, son.
I'll hand it to you.
So wet. The boys got it out.
Sir. She would be back in, but thought we didn't have a pilot bearing. It was like tucked away in the cuttiest package, inside packages, inside another package. And wasted like 6 hours. Go forward, huh?
Yep.
How's that?
Almost.
Just gotta come in a little.
She's leaky.
We gotta reposition this tranny. I'm gonna pick it up, try and scoot the jack more towards the bell housing. Sorry, it's slipping out of my fingertips. There we go. Alright, just gotta slowly get it inward. This oil's not helping.
I am in the wrong clothes to be in all this oil. Fuck all that.
Here, we gotta take it back down and look at it so you can give me some guidance before I pull it back up and blind everything.
Push it forward towards me. Go up. Push it forward.
Up. Let's see. Up.
Hitting something.
Yeah.
I almost missed it. Margo said, fuck the jack.
Just up the slightest bit if you can.
How's your back?
In pain?
No. I mean, like wet?
Yep, soaking.
Great.
Other way, other way.
Fuck, where's the...
Fuck, I think it might be stripping.
No, it's because the whole tranny, the weight of the tranny's on the bolt. Is it in there?
Yep. Should be. There you go, boy.
Fucking A, dude, that sucks.
Dude.
Doused.
Do me a 360, yep.
360.
Oh no. Mud butt. Marco's got mud butt.
Big mud butt.
I'm finna fall out my slides, god damn it. We're bombing. Oh. This thing is way too loose. That was enough.
Got it in, brother.
Oh.
This is what you call fire loot.
Quick pit stop.
One chicken taco and one pastor taco.
Just
Okay, yeah, I live right up the road. Been seeing this place forever. Just never stopped by.
My work here is done.
What work?
I haven't done a damn thing, but I definitely stood here and spectated this.
There you go.
It's all in, it's good to go.
Down there, just
Later, boys.
later, doggy. Josie, cheers. Ready? Cheers, go.